Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This pattern is simple, but looks like being knitted by sticks. Most of all, it's really very easy. You can learn it in 3 means. First, chain as usual. Now please attention, yarn over the hook, and the hook goes through the single loop of the last stitch. It's the half of the V5 from you. If you can't understand, just do as the video. Let's go on. Now there are 3 loops on the hook. Hold and pulls the yarn through all the 3 loops. The key point makes things easy. It's not as usual. After that, the hook returns from the first loop. The tip of the hook turns to the opposite way. You will find the hook and turns back through all loops easily. Just repeat. Here shows how end one row and start next row. Chain 2 at the end of every row. Thanks for watching.